Okay guys, bit of a test here to see if I can get this software to work. I have on my desk the downloaded basic template that I've renamed, just the basic template, and if I open it, there it is. 2 boxes. If I leave it open and right click, I should be able to open with Notepad++. Only I can't because I don't have it installed, so I'm going to have to do it a slightly different way. I've got a portable version here. There it is. So let's have a look at this. If you've been trying to wade through this, stop and start again. Let's try and get everything on the screen. Nothing I'm doing now matters. It's just moving code, you know? It's not going to affect anything. There we go. It's all on one screen. So HTML is the structure. There's the open, there's the close tags, identifiable by that / right at the front. Head tags. And this whole area here is really the admin area for the website. Whatever you type in here, you'll see in a moment. I'll show you now. There it is there, look. That's how they get the stuff there. Body tags. The entire website that your audience can see sits within the body tags. Comment code, which is this, Notepad++ colors it green for you. Comment code, as long as it started like that, you can put little notes in for yourself. In other words, what is what? What you can see here, let's push this all up. Again, look, I'm only moving code. Here's one box, and I've positioned it like this to show you. And here's a second box. And you can identify them because, look, div, open, close. Div is division. It divides the page. That's one box. Div, that divides the page for the second box. Right, see if you can remember this. 10 pixels from the left, 3 from the top. Oh, actually, there's no need, is there? We can do it this way. There he is. 10 from the left, 3 from the top. Let's change it. Let's make it a bit more from the top. Let's make it 20 from the top. At this stage, don't open and close things. Just Control S. That saves that. Jump back here. F5 for refresh, or Function F5 if you're on a desktop. Laptop. There you go. It's jumped down. It's now 20 pixels from the top. So everything that makes up that box is in this code here, which is CSS code. Cool, huh? Is it control? Yes, it is. Good. Let me show you CSS code. You can have as many or as few bits of CSS code as you want. It's all a sort of what I call a twin set. The thing you want to effect a change on, or something, colon, and then the change or the some other word, semicolon. Notice it's American spelling. Color, that's font, red. Font size, look. And it's always colon, semicolon, colon, semicolon. We're going to keep with position absolute for this course because there are others. There's position relative, position float. Quite honestly, it's a minefield, and you need a year, maybe longer. Now, let me see. If you don't want something, for example, if you don't want a border, just get rid of the code. Delete, save, jump back, refresh. See, no border. So it goes on. The choices you have are myriad. But there's one place that's the Bible for this. I'm going to find it now if I can. It's called W3 Schools. There they are. HTML CSS, that'll do. Honestly, that'll do. Now, if you want to find anything like, let's try it. Let's go border styles. See what happens. Search. It's a brilliant site, and it's built by the people that run the web, that say yes, the code's okay or isn't okay. But what I do find slightly annoying is their search is a web search and not a site search. So look for stuff from W3 Schools. There you are, CSS borders. Let's go in. There we go. Look, dotted dash solid double groove. Blah, blah, blah. So you just do border style colon one of these semicolon if you want a whizzy border. Okay, enough of that. So your task. What is your task? Let's do a little bit more. We know at this stage I've got 2 boxes. I'm just going to tidy this up. It's a bit of a waste of time for you, I know, while you're watching this. I'll put it like that so you could see what I call the twin sets. Don't forget, I'm just moving code around. It's not going to change the website. But for God's sake, don't break any of these double sets. And you dare not forget a colon or a semicolon, or it can appear the entire website's broken. One other thing to show you in here, there's a break. It's a line break. If you're any good at PCs, you'll know that if you hit Shift and Enter, you can get spaces between lines that don't produce new bullet points or new numbering. And it's the same with websites. So where it says you'll see why, let's go and have a look. Oh, is it gone? Did I close it? Damn. Looks like I did, doesn't it? There we go. You'll see why. See the line break? It's pushed the text down to the next line. If you want another box, I'll create one now. You don't have to keep typing this, look. Copy something that's near or the similar shape and size to what you want. Copy. Give yourself some space. More space than you think you need. I'll call this middle box, shall I? It's going to be the middle in a minute. Save. Right, at the moment, nothing's happened. Of course it hasn't. Prove it to you. Function F5. Nothing's happened because one box is over the top of the other one. The reason being their coordinates are exactly the same. So what should we do? Left. Someone asked me the other day, they've tried putting it center and it won't do it. Centering I'll come back to. You can do right, but it doesn't seem to help. I don't like it. What should we do? 610 pixels? Oh, it's anyone's guess. 600? Let's try it. 600 pixels from the left. Save it. Notice up here, look, your little icon's red. The moment I save it, it goes back to that light blue. Bring it up again. Refresh. There's your new box. So that gap is 600 pixels. Your only task at the moment, to avoid you trying to do too much and get mixed up, is to arrive at enough boxes for a layout for a simplistic web page. I'm going to just do one more thing. I'm going to copy my top banner, Control C, space, Control V. Get rid of what's in it. That's black. That's just the text, isn't it? All right, there's nothing in it. Let's think about this now. give myself a bit more space so you can see what I'm doing. This is going to be my navigation area. Nav. Okay. I don't want a font size of 24, so let's try 14. Top. That's going to be my problem. It's got to jump over the other one. Right, the other one is 20 pixels from the top now. Actually, I don't like that. I'm going to put that back to 10. And he's 80 high, so I've got to go at least 90. Do you see? I've got to push him down at least 90 pixels. So I'll try 100. I don't want him as high as the other one. I want a much slimmer box because I'm only going to type in it. Let's try it. Bung. You really just have to play. Get it right, get it wrong. There you go. I've got a navigation box. Now I can start typing in it. This is probably too much for the first one. I don't know. Where would you type? There. See? Between div open and div close. That's the space there. Bring it down. Bring it back. Whatever you want to do. That's your typing space. So you're going to say something like home. Actually, we're going to have to center this, aren't we? Interesting. I'll think about that in a minute. Alt. No, that's not what I'm looking for. I'll put a dash in for now. Info. Gallery, whatever. See how it looks. This is simplistic. They're in there. I'd like to put them in the center, but I'll try it. Paragraph style equals text align center American spelling semicolon. I nearly forgot. Not sure if this is going to work. Close your paragraph. Don't forget you'll only do this once. Every page will have this on. This top bit will appear on every page, so you're never going to code that again. Let's see if that worked. I'm not really certain it will. Centering is a minefield, an acknowledged minefield. Yeah, it did. It worked. Don't like the colors. I'd like to vertically align it as well, but I think that's enough for today. So, have a play. That's it for now. Close that down, or I can't see what I'm doing for you. I think we're done. I've lost my closing item. There should be some little things here that allow me to how annoying. Ah, dear. No. Well, that's weird, unless it's appeared on another monitor. Oh, it's gone. No, it's back. There it is. Found it.